Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to verify Google Search Console ownership on WordPress. Now here, as you can see, when you open Google Search Console and log in into your account, when you navigate to the settings down below right here, then go to ownership verification, this section. When you scroll down here, you will see all the verification methods that you can actually verify your website with. But here in our video, we will just use one verification method. We will use the HTML tag in order to verify our website. So now you will have to just click on this arrow beside the HTML tag, or just click on HTML tag itself. Then it will show you here this window. Now you'll have to click on copy. Then you should now head to the dashboard of your WordPress, log in into your account and open this dashboard. Then you will have to go to plugins in order to install header footer code manager. Once you go to the plugins, click on add new plugin. Then here up in the search bar, search for HFCM or header footer code manager. It will show you here this page with this application. Make sure that it is by 99 robots, then add it to your WordPress, and down below on the left side right here, as you can see, I have installed it already. You just have to tap on it. Then here you should choose add new snippet. Then here it will show this page. Now you'll have to fill in this information. So first choose any name that you need. Here you should choose HTML, then the site display, let's say home page, and you can leave the other sections blank with no changes. Then you should scroll down till you find here this section, this window right here, which is titled by snippet/code. You just have to paste the code that we have just copied right here, paste it, then click on save button down below right here. Once you click on save, you'll have to wait for a couple of minutes just in order to save the changes. After that, you can get back to Google Search Console and click on the verify button right here. And after clicking on it, it will show you here this sign right here, this green sign, and this means that you have successfully proved that you are a verified owner of this website. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.